So how do you buy your first stock? You'll need a broker. A broker is essentially a platform that connects to your bank account. Thereafter, you can move money from your bank to your broker and then start buying and selling shares. So the question is, what broker should you use? In the show notes below, you'll see a link to the brokers that our customers from Tykr recommend. And here's a quick demo on what some of these brokers look like and what you should look for when you sign up. So the broker I use is TD Ameritrade. Look for a button that says Open New Account. And then look for individual. That's the most popular option. There's a lot of options here, but individual is the best. Let's jump to E-Trade. Go to Open Account, Brokerage Account, Individual. Same thing. Now let's go to Interactive Brokers. Go to Open Account, Start Application. And in this case, they actually have you sign up and then they'll have you create an individual account. It'll take a few minutes to sign up for your broker. And then after that, go ahead and connect your bank account. Transferring money may take between 1 and 3 days. After the money moves from your bank to your broker, you can go ahead and buy your first stock.